Forex trading and intelligence asset management company that uses the advanced M228 software tools to trade in Forex market. We also generate income for our investors using the ProBaba EA robot, which is the premium trading robot of ProBaba EA Consult.
What it takes to put up an event. A lot of work has been done here. I appreciate the organizers of this event, and it's a good thing that we're here to connect and also learn more about the financial market. My name is William Odion, and I'll be speaking briefly on being knowledgeable about current market conditions and trends can help you provide informed recommendation to your clients. Okay, what do I mean by that? If a broker is up to date with the market trend and development, he can be able to tell the investors, okay, this is what you have to do.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with ProBaba FS. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and it dey smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. ProBaba FS robot to the world.
Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop for you. Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop.